Sanibonani guys, indaba zena zingilalisa zongivusa ngamatha. Yenina. Yabona abomakhosi ne as long as usesenemishado. Lemojolo abomakhosi ngeke vele bazohlala ku business. Baxolile abana le customer bazohlala baphithizela so abomakhosi usesengibhale sothi Thembi yangibhalela I was choosing I went to this makhosi for my man. So ungipaying advice so I don't know ukuthi ngiyenze or ngingayenzi. So I just want advice from my followers wakho ukuthi should I do it or ngiyeke vele completely ilezi into lena yona is work itself out cause yeki ayikunzima. Usesengibhalela ashozi ngihlangana nobugayi sothi ugayi uJani. Ngihlangana noJani I be everything that I want in a man ugayi be right the rato be right rebe mo everything ibe munati uthi ayisijole uthi ngicela ngifind out ukuthi I'm pregnant. Uthi mang pregnant ngimtshela ukuthi mina Jani phela manje ngathi so scoreile kulobona. Ujani was like no say no more ngithumela amadwendwe again because nake batla gore kumsadi yakhe and I want my child akhulele ngapha ngasekithi yabona. Uthi I was choose vele ibe kanjalo uJani vele athumele abayigive vele as promised ekithi kulotsholo hayi ngithathwe vele ekithi sengimova inoJani. Uthi ngihlale noJani nomama wakhe nomntwana sekibo. Uthi I was choose like uthando lwethu linyalo hube munati uthi kube nalomngani the girlfriend kamngani waka Jani yabona. So girlfriend kamngani kaJani une cousin so the cousin uyakhona ubona. So cousin was like you know what utshela uThembi uJani una this girl umsebenzile ikhona into yenzakala umsebenzile. Uthi the cousin friend ibeke kanjani uNkulunkulu hayi mara nizongibamba yabona. So uthi le cousin ka girlfriend ka friend kaJani yabona ngiyangibamba ngisho. So umuntu obona uthi vele amtshela ukuthi ekamareni leni kusona so kune Juvete sona so okay uthi ngiphike lapho ukuthi lentombazane can see because of le Juvete bekhona mina mangifika vele ngimuva in I was like no I'm not going to use a bedding boy sebenzisana nabantu bakho so sizosebenzisa bedding enje. Uthi le bedding le Juvete akhuluma nga ikhona wardrobe uthi amtshela ukuthi sona so okay ulo kunogeli bekathandana uthandana noJani. So this girl uthethe your picture wayishisa wayivuthela like makayishisa ibamlotha ayibutswetsa hore like ufade awuyiphuma empilweni kaJani just like the ama eshiswa le picture uthi umenze kanjalo. So ugirl uthi abona uthi ngibelieve but ngibelieve uthi angitshele athi and uthethe nejoke kandoda yakho yabona uyisebenzile. Ugirl uthi makhuluma ngendaba yejoke uJani joke yakhe e1 ilahlekile. I've been searching for it na kuya nga brother's room ijoke ayikho. Shuthi ngitshele uJani ukuthi no there is this girl went 1 2 3 uthi umuntu wami awusoze uthanda amantombazana uthi ngihlala ngimkhetha sathejwa vele ngiyamkhetha uthi but with this girl sizothi girl sithi Simphiwe ngoSimphiwe ngimkhethile but still yabona still kuSimphiwe like Simphiwe ukensemana la komoneng waka akhona ukuphuma uthi awushozi one day mangisearcha iphone thola ukuthi vele ubusy unqinga uSimphiwe ngathi bacabanga so Simphiwe was not having it ngathi bafuna ukuyeka the relationship but my husband bekanqinga uSimphiwe ukuthi babe together basaruhana. Or awushozi ngibone uthi leso sikhathi pregnant uthi isikhathi siye uthi uJani makacala vele after find out from the lady uJani vele makangibheka like uyanyanya uthi naye uJani admit athi when I see you like ngathola kodlatsa like ngombora wantina athi akhulume zonke izinto ezi-hurtful kusisi because of the clarity abamerekile nkatsona cause ugirl bathi busy uyathunyisela uJani makeza azolala naye yabona. So usisi uthi awushozi kube ukuthi vele mina noGayi vele sisaqabana vele waya akusimnandi hwaliwa waya yabona Gali akusimnandi vele ku relationship but the funny part is that uyahamba uJani uyahamba emsebenzini makabuya ubuya late sasuthi afike alale ka weekend awushozi uthi iphone ngiyamtracker yena he doesn't know ukuthi mina I'm tracking him uthi makavuka eksena hamba yebanganini uyohlala ebanganini lize lishona ilanga kuzokushaya bo 10 ufike ebusuku ngabo 10 afike adle alala like one avoid by all means should umuntu ukuthi akasangifoni. Uthi awushozi kuleso sikhathi hayi ngibe nomntwana kodwa uba nomntwana uthi ngifundile like bengibekona the courses sebekilira yabona so ngifundile ngicedile so I'm trying to find umsebenzi akwenzeki konke kumnyama yabona. So uthi hayi ngidecide ukuthi let me take le route umakhosi ngihambe maybe ngiyocleansa bona ngithola umsebenzi because like I feel ukuthi there is something engiholdile engakhona ukuvula like itsela tsaka. Usisi uthi ngihambe ke ngiyoconsulta kumakhosi. Uri awushozi mina ngumunye umuntu azangayi kumakhosi since ngavizalwa. Negithi asiyabantu ababhelivela kubantu abaphansi amadlozi azange ngaze ngaphahla. Angikwazi nokuphahla ukuthi ngifika ngithini mangithi ngiyaphahla. Uthi hayi ngihambe vele ngiye kumakhosi. Makhosi angitshela ukuthi hayi wena Shamsisi bakushaya ngesicitho, the husband makakubona vele ubona into ngasiyo and vele bamenza ukuthi vele makabona wena like atenehe and ufuna ukuthi wena uhambe uphume endlini uhambe so wena unitsi awuphuma. Kodwa awushozi ngaleso sikhathi mina no husband sinisithenge istand siyakha. So the lady sasebenzela sakha khona ukuthi ngingasayi lapha yana kungene yena uSimphiwe. Ura awushozi umakhosi asho athi you know what mina ngakuphi advice angeke ngakuphi advice ukuthi ngakupha umuthi uyenze back to the sender if you want. Number 1. Number 2 ngakupha umuthi uhambe mawupheka umtheleli uabuthi umdlisi kube indoda yakho uyi1. Number 3 ngizokupha futhi nomuthi and then uthatha picture yakhe nepicture yakho uyasihlanganisa like this akasi maybe wabolela ka sihlarisewu and then uthatha ubopha ifindo like uyazibopha and then you phahla to your ancestors ukuthi niyambona nangujani indoda yami but ujani uyangihlupha. So bantu abaphansi I'm begging and pleading with you ukuthi lo muntu lona from today ngiyamfasa kube indoda yami. So ugelo awusozi kisale hona mo. I don't know what to do. Should I continue ngihambe ngisebenzele lezi zinto lezi umakhosi ngiphezona or ngithenge ama cloth salt ngithenge ama the results out club or ngifast or ngithandaza because like lendlela kamakhosi iyangithosha. But the sad part is that I don't want to lose my husband. Ngiyamthanda mina loyo muntu. So ke batla monna ka and ke matlabele nna ke le one. But I don't know what to do. So lo naba twa TikTok nthuseng gore ke tse jwa. Nena Aisha mnizothakatha otsa abantu abakuruta bulori sabotse sisi. Hayi guys iphamisa sisi advice kisoganyethu ki emergency uthi ayenze njani avuye manje asithatha enyangeni kubakhosi or ayitsejwa.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangisisuqela abantu ukuthi bamside ukuthi kufuna into enjani uma kunje njengoba sivile sisasicoca story uthi ucela ama advice ukuthi yini kahle lekumela yini uthatha yipi indlela. Bo guys, witchcraft is really ubandla ngaphandle benda black magic gabi and it's so sad man ukuthi abantu bathatha amadoda ngendlela tebumnyama. Like it's just so sad tinto bandla batenda go for madoda. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.